I'm Elsa Thompson, here with the answer to last week's mystery bird call, which was the American woodcock, a bird that's found early in the spring across central and eastern North America. The male displays crepuscularly, that is, at dawn and dusk. He is out in the open and makes his peep call around, goes around, turning around in a circle, and goes up in the air and displays coming down, hoping to lure waiting females who are looking for romance. The interesting other thing is that the female, as she's going north to her breeding grounds, will receive the attentions of several males, so that her clutch of eggs may have, each egg may have a different color. Here's this week's mystery bird call, and this one's a cupcake. What do you think, girls? It's a cupcake.